Hey folks, we are going to make a sign in Roblox Studio. So we're starting off just with a regular part, this pink block here, and we're going to need to, step one is we're going to put a surface GUI inside it. So click here, type in GUI. There's a bunch of different kinds of GUIs. For a sign on a part, we use a surface GUI. And within the surface GUI, we're going to add a text label. And so let's go to our text label, and you can see it's already showed up. So first we've got to scale it. So let's expand size here, and if you want to know exactly why this works, you got to type in 1,0, 1,0. You can read the documentation, but basically if you use this first number, it's saying make it 100% of the width of the surface GUI in the X direction and the Y direction. And we can, just as a little test, if we say 0.5, it's only going to span halfway across in the X direction. So we'll undo that, Command Z. Yeah, so now you notice our text is really tiny. So there's a couple things we need to do. So go back to the surface GUI, change your pixels per stud, if you've got a big block like mine, to about 10. That's going to bring things up a bit. And then go back to your text label and change your click text scale. So it's going to scale it to fit. And then let's change the text to say, instead of label, we'll say free puppy, because everyone wants a free puppy. Now there's a couple other tricky things, like here we can do the text color. It's pretty obvious. Lighten it up a bit, make it red. And then to do a nice border, we need to go to border mode, and instead of outline, change it to inset. And then border pixel size, I don't know, let's make it 12 or something. And then the border color, we'll make it something really eye-popping like magenta. There you go. So there's a lot of other parameters you can mess with. If this doesn't work for you, you can adjust the parameters or leave a comment and I'll see if I can figure out what it is that you need. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so I can monetize my channel.